Alright guys, in this video we're going to carry on with this RC Burnout car build. In case you don't know what's going on guys, I'm going to put a link up the top to the previous video where we started this build. So pretty much what I'm doing here, I've just grounded up this little other RC car part and I'm kind of Frankenstein fitting it onto here to mount up a front disc brake. Alright, so next problem, I now want to mount this caliper carrier, whatever you call it. But problem is, it's got this lumpy bit on the end of this shaft, so I'm going to have to get this cutter out and just cut the end bit off. Oh, this is almost too easy, guys. Alright, so this bit here I should really cut it off, but I'm thinking it might come in handy to mount like the receiver or maybe a servo. So for now I'm going to leave it on there. I can always cut it off if it gets in the way later. Alright, so free rolling. Brakes. This is working out easier than what I expected, guys. Alright, so now for the linkage. So I've got this thing here, and this comes out of a Thunder Tiger TS4N. That's like a nitro touring car. And it looks to be the right shape. Guys, this is almost too easy. I was expecting to come across a lot more difficulties. Normally, when I do a little project, everything that I do is sort of going against me, but today it's like everything that I've done so far is just working. So brakes open, brakes locked. It's just too easy, guys. So I will make a proper mount for this, but what I want to do first is get the receiver wired in, make sure that it all works and it all moves, adjust the linkage, and then I'm going to just hot glue this in for now. And then later on we're going to, it's only a prototype for now, guys. You know, later on when it's all done, we're going to go over this, we're going to countersink all these screws underneath, and we're going to make it nice. But for now, I just want to make sure it works. I don't want to spend a ton of time, you know, making it all nice and neat, only to have to change it. Alright, so this thing's going to be running 6S. So I can put two 3S's are going to fit on the side here perfectly. That servo's perfect there. I think the receiver's going to fit quite nicely down this little gap here. And then the ESC can sit up here on top of this mount. And it's luckily I haven't cut this bit off because it's a perfect thing to sit that on. And then with that all sitting there, there's still plenty of room to get the body shell on. Remember guys, I'm only prototyping here. It's all going to get tidied up later on. So that goes into channel 2 for the ESC. So steering, we've got channel 1. And then for this one here, which is for the brakes, we're just going to have to have a little play about with it. I've got a gut feeling that's going to be channel 3. So I'm going to plug it in there for now. Just see what happens. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Actually, I'm going to plug the motor in because it can't go anywhere because the gear mesh isn't lining up anyway. Alright, moment of truth. Oh! We got steering, we got throttle. Oh! And we got the brakes! Oh guys, check that out, everything works. So look, steering, even though we've got to reverse it, but that's alright, we can go into the app. Then we've got throttle. And there, we got the brakes. Oh my god. Alright, so that's brakes on there. That's brakes off. So brakes on. I'll mount that servo in. I think I'm going to hot glue that in there for now, guys. So I've just gone into the Traxxas app and I've put all the servos into the right position. So now, steering goes the right way. That goes the right way. And also, check this out. So now we've got brakes. Now it's open. Also, I've glued that down now with some hot glue. So I think all we need now in order to test it is a bigger spur gear. And Steve's on holiday at the minute. As soon as he gets back, hopefully he can lend me one. And we can put it on there and see if this thing works. I'm still a bit sceptical if this rear gearbox is going to hold out, but we will see. If it doesn't, we're going to have to put a 1/8 scale buggy diff in there. Here's another result. It's got the 2 battery posts here. What originally had this strap going over the top, but it just so happens I can get a Velcro strap and put it between the 2, and that holds the 2 batteries in there perfect. A 6S lipos in there, guys. And check that out, guys. The body fits over it perfectly. So we can push it like this and it rolls lovely and freely. All the steering works. And then we flick the brake switch. Check that out, and now it's locked. Guys, that is working perfectly. So guys, that's almost ready now. I mean, look at it, guys. It really didn't take that long to put together. I thought this was going to be a project that's going to take me a few weeks, and I've done it in a couple of hours. So that's really not bad going. God knows how good it's going to work. I'm kind of guessing we're probably going to have to put a heavier bumper on here just to put a bit of weight on the front wheels so we can hold that down when we're doing the burnout. Also, you know, I don't reckon this rear diff's going to really hold out. It's only a 10 scale. It's only a Maverick Strada. I don't think they're really that bulletproof as they are. So we'll see how it goes. If it lasts, it lasts. If it doesn't, we'll put like a 1/8 buggy diff in there or something like that. Also, I've just ordered a sound system for it, so we can have like a V8 engine noise in there, or like a Formula 1 engine noise or whatever else. So we're going to put that in on a future video. So pretty much all I've got to do to finish this thing off is put on a bigger spur gear. So once I see Steve, I'll try one of his pinions on there, stick that on there, see how it works, and I can order up something then that I know that's going to fit. So make sure you hit that notification button, guys, and smash that bell button so you stay notified, so we can see YouTube's best RC Burnout car in action when it's ready. And boys, I've already got a load of tyres in here that we're going to smoke, and any other tyres that we can get our hands on. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, bell button, comment, share, blah, 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 blah. See you soon, bye.